look at this beautiful 2016 American luxury coach 2500 HD Duramax lifted. It's got ceramic coat done. It's got 37-inch tires, 20-inch wheels, moto metal. Beautiful. It's been deleted, tuned, and it was done right. It's just a beautiful truck. Pocket flares. It's got a pretty big exhaust. It's got the bed cover. Stand back. This truck's gorgeous. It's called a Z92. See how it shines, the paint shines, the ceramic coat. It's only got 61,000 miles on this truck. Got power seats, WeatherTech floor mats, power windows and locks. There's the tuner. Here's the, let's see if you can see it, American luxury coach. Heated seats. Engine brake, all your other options there. It's got backup camera. Let me show you inside. Back. There's the back. Back's pretty good size. This truck can be seen at minersautosales.com or stop by 129 Pike Street, Shinnston, West Virginia, 26431. Or give us a call at 304-592-3349.